Basketball, you better be in the gym with me because I'm here to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed in the game that you love to play each and every day. And I'm going to give it to you here in every way. Today, we are going to do active feet, okay? We're going active feet, and we're going to get a little bit of core work in, but it's not going to be too much, but we're going to be moving actively a little bit more than we have before, all right? So I'm ready to get this workout underway. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's get to it. Now we're going to move actively across the line, okay? First, we're going left, right. You know what to do. Let's get it in. Make sure you got a good bend, too. Don't stand straight up. Here we go. Ready? Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. All the way down the line. Boom. And we're going to go left, right again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good. 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 And it doesn't have to be super fast, okay? It just has to be enough. Just has to be enough, okay? Now we're going to go right, left. Same thing, okay? Just working both feet first, just to get that brain moving. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom. Come on. Over that line, under that line. Over that line, under that line. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo, I messed up a little bit. And I'm coming back right away. Let's go. No breaks, no breaks, no breaks, no breaks, no breaks. Good. Nice job. Nice job. Now we're going to get a little object and get something else going different. Okay, we're gonna go 2 feet over the line and under the line. 2 feet over the line and under the line, okay? So here we go. Our feet are gonna be stable like this. And you can go quicker if you want. Good job, good job, okay? So again, you can go easy, working on the landing, working on the explosion back, or it could be quick for that burnout, okay? Whatever gets you warmed up, whatever gets you ready for the game. Remember, everybody's different, okay? So now we're gonna go side to side as well, okay? So now you're turning to the side and you're working that lateral movement side to side, okay? Here we go, side to side. Make sure both feet are hitting. Still absorbing that jump to explode back. Good, good, good. Come on, come on, come on. Couple more. Good, great job. Again, we're just turning, working our different motions of our body, all right? Good job. Now we're gonna get into our next workout. Okay, so now we're gonna work that same motion, but single leg, all right? So we're gonna get that one leg ready. Okay, remember we wanna be on the balls of our feet. We're going over the line, under the line, over the line, under the line. Get a nice rhythm. It's almost like jump ropes in a way. Just looking for that rhythm. Good. Couple more. Good. Now, when this leg starts to get a little bit tired, it's great because you got another one, right? So we're going to go with another leg, and we're going to get that same burnout, okay? Ready? Over the line, under the line. Let's go. Left leg. Keep it moving. Again, trying to get a good rhythm. Good rhythm. Good. Great. Okay. So that's great. That's more of a north and south. Okay. You still have to work the motion east and west. Okay. So we're breathing a little hard. Now we're going to face this way, and we're getting that directional movement on the balls of our feet going this way, that way. Okay. Here we go. You're still going over the line, under the line. Same concept. Ready? Let's go. You might have to take a little bit more time just for the balance. You're gonna load a little bit more sitting down so you can absorb it, but we're still over the line, under the line. Keep working. Come on, come on. Couple more. Great job, okay? Now we got that other leg, okay? We got that other leg. You got it. If I could do it, you definitely could do it. So let's get it. Ready? Let's go. You got to remember, if you're not good at it right now, we're going to get better at it later because we keep doing it every day. So don't get discouraged if you're stepping on that line or you can't explode enough to get over the line. It's okay. Give me a couple more. Very good. Good job. Okay, let's keep rolling. All right, basketball U, it's time to lay down, but not to rest. We got this core we got to get into. Okay, so I'm gonna lay down right here. Oh man, that feels good. All right, don't get too relaxed though. If you want to pause the video and relax a little bit, you can. But here we go. Okay, so you're gonna get your hands under your butt because that back is gonna be hurting on this. We're gonna go flutter kicks first. Okay, so you're on your back. Okay, legs are gonna come off about 6 inches on the ground. You can keep your head up if you want, right, to engage that core a little bit more, or you can keep that head down and hope for the best. Okay, I want to point those toes though, and I want to get those kicks going. Okay, get those kicks going. Feeling good. Nice little flutter. 6 inches off the ground though. Don't make the flutters high. And then you want to breathe because that stomach is going to start hurting. Okay, the hips start hurting a little bit too. That core starts burning. And when you feel that core burning, that's when you want to let those legs drop. Don't let them drop. Let's go. Come on, 10 more seconds. Ooh, don't let them hit. And good, okay? Nice job. Next one we want to do real quick is big flutter kicks. So we're gonna go big, almost like windmills in a way, all right? It's just gonna be one after the other, okay? So you're gonna get it up. One. Come on. One. Keep them off the ground. One. Come on. One. Whew, hammies are tight. I can't even get it all the way up. Come on. Let's go. Breathe. You're gonna feel it. It's good work though. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is, just to give you a break off of being on your back, we're gonna do twist. So when we twist and touch, our legs are gonna be up, heels are gonna be off the ground. Okay. We can have an object in our hand, or we can just use our hands. Okay. Nice and easy. Touching, twisting, touching, twisting. Okay. You can do about 15 each. Okay. Twist and turn. Back is gonna get a little tight. Breathe. Okay, good. That's the twist and turn. Okay, or twist and touch. Okay, whichever one you want to recognize it as so that you can remember it. Okay, then we're gonna go 6 inches off the ground. Then we're gonna finish up with one more workout. And we'll be done today. Okay, so now we're laying back on our back. Whew, this is a real good feeling. Only if we could get the exercise done and feel relaxed like this too. That would be great, right? Okay, so now we're going 6 inches off the ground. Again, we got those hands under our butt because it just gives us a sense of stabilization for some reason. And it always works and it doesn't hurt our back. Kind of lets me push my back down a little bit more, and I'm not sure why, but That is just kind of what it helps with. Okay, 6 inches off the ground, engaging that core, really squeezing it, and then trying to push that back into the ground. Okay, 6 inches if you can. If it's a little higher, that's okay. For some of us, it's our first time. Okay, 20 seconds is good. We don't have to do too much. Again, remember, this is a warm-up. This is a warm-up. All right, so here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Okay, very good. Basketball U, thank you for coming out for another day of fitness with me, the Daily Trainer. I am so happy that you are joining me for more than just basketball as we continue to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed for the game that you love to play each and every day. And I'm going to try to give it to you in every way. I thank you and I appreciate you. But the reason we're doing this is because someone's always working. Are you?